Hey guys, myself Javed and welcome back to my channel. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. And share this video with your family and friends guys. In this video, I'm gonna show you few photography tricks through which you can take awesome photos at home. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. One important note is that before you start clicking pictures with your mobile phone, make sure your lens is clean. If it is not clean, then clean it with any microfiber cloth or any soft cloth that does not damage your lens. So without any further ado, now let's get into the video. So the first trick is to shooting through the sunglass. You can take whichever sunglass is available to you. I am taking the round and circular one for shooting through it. Actually, the sunglass acts as a filter to the lens and the object. So I'll show you some images and I'll show you the method how to take the images through the sunglass. Let's get into it. So how to shoot with the help of sunglasses or how to use it as a filter. So I'm gonna show you now. Just take the sunglasses and keep it above the lens of your camera and start shooting. The images will look pretty awesome. So I'm gonna show you few samples now. So the second trick is reflection images. We won't be having water every time or everywhere. So I'm gonna use my mobile phone for taking the reflection shots. I'm gonna place the mobile phone near the lens and take the shots. These shots look awesome. So I'm gonna show you some shots and I'm gonna show you how to do the reflection shots. So for shooting the reflection shots, take a phone by which you are gonna reflect the images and the phone by which you're gonna take the shots. So take the phone by which you're gonna reflect the images and keep it under the lens of your phone and start shooting. The images look pretty cool and I'm gonna show you some samples now. So the third trick is long exposure photography. So what is meant by long exposure photography? So long exposure photography में ISO least रहता है and the shutter speed will be somewhere between 1 second to 30 seconds. So for taking long exposure photography, you may need tripod actually. Tripod is important. So अगर आपके पास tripod नहीं है तो 1 second तक stable तो रखिए phone while clicking the image. So I'll show you some images of long exposure photography now and how to shoot the long exposure photography. So these are the settings for long exposure photography shots. I'm using the least ISO which is available in my phone, that is 50, and the shutter speed is 10 seconds. Always remember to use the least ISO in your phone. So these are the settings for taking the long exposure photography shots. The shots will be awesome actually. And remember to use a tripod for better shots. And always clean your lens before taking the shots. So the fourth trick is shooting through the object. So shooting through the object means you guys gonna take any transparent cylinder or paper and keep it above your lens and shoot it. I'm gonna show you how to do that. So I'm gonna show you few samples also. So for shooting through the objects, you need paper or some kind of an object that is transparent so that you can shoot from it. So take a paper and fold it like this and keep it on above the lens and start shooting. The images look awesome. So I'm gonna show you the images now. Do try these tricks and share it on Instagram with a hashtag I am SA Javed. So I'm gonna check those. So that's it for today. So if you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. Share this video with your family and friends guys. So आज के लिए बस इतना ही. मिलते हैं अपनी अगली वीडियो में. Till then, peace.